So tell me your name.
My name is Suzanne.
Suzanne. Okay, so do you use math?
Yes.
Okay, tell me how you use math.
I use math in a fraction form to measure blood pressures. I teach a medical science class, so we learn about healthcare. And so we also use a basic algebra in figuring out medications formulas.
Okay, so in 5th grade, they learn a lot about adding, subtracting, multiplying, and dividing fractions and decimals.
Yes.
So you deal with fractions.
Yes.
Okay.
And decimals.
And decimals,
Yes.
both.
Yes.
Okay.
So my husband is a paramedic. They use fractions, decimals every day to figure out formulas for medications.
Okay.
You have to read blood pressures, and that's in a fraction form. I'm sorry.
Okay.
So like 120/80.
Okay.
So do we convert them down? No, but that's how we read blood pressures.
Okay. Okay. Awesome. Awesome.
Okay,
Well,
fifth
thank you
grader
very
short
much.
video here, more practice for you guys of 12-4. And it's another additional practice page. And I had you guys do one of those not too long ago. It might have been a lesson or two ago. It was really just a few days. Anyways, here it is, 12-4, more practice. And I went ahead and I copied and then pasted this information here because it might be useful to you instead of having to, well, you could just open your book though, your workbook, and look yourselves. But let me just go back to the 12-4 lesson just as a reminder to you guys. So remember, when you're changing from a larger unit to a smaller unit, you multiply. And when you change from a smaller unit to a larger unit, you would divide. Just remember that. And again, you can just kind of flip back through your book if you need to and reference that.
I mean, how do you use math?
Every day in logistics.
Logistics. Okay, so that's a word they may not know what that means. Can you tell me what you do?
Transportation.
Transportation. Okay. So, I mean, give me an
Big,
example.
it's for 3, how would I say it? I want to say the name. It's a big retailer.
Okay.
And it's 3 of them that are, the CEO is merged together. So it's, we deliver groceries to this chain or to these stores.
So how do you use math with that?
Every day we have to, for the trailers, how many pallets can fit on the trailer.
Ah, so we're talking about volume.
Volume, correct. So
Okay.
pieces, weight, pallets, all that.
They learn a little bit about volume in 5th grade. In fact, they are just now. Okay. Very cool.
So just
All right.
like the last time, this 12-4, this additional practice, this is not in your book. Let me say that again. This is not in your book. You're just going to have to pause the video and write down the problems. How many problems do we have here? Let me look. Looks like 1 through 11. These right down here. So those are the problems I want you guys to do, and you can just write them on a piece of paper, number 1 through 11. And so in 1 through 6, you're converting each unit of length, and then you're comparing in 7 through 9, and then finally you're completing these tables to show equivalent measures. And this table right here will come in very handy when you guys are doing these problems. So that's really all I have to say about this one. Shouldn't take you more than, I don't know, just a few minutes to do. And then we'll do 12-5 on Tuesday. Tuesday I actually won't be here, but I'll go ahead and upload a video for you guys. I don't know who the substitute's going to be, but you guys could just watch it and then go through the problems there. Let me highlight some questions here for Classcraft. How about this one, number 4? How about number 8? And then how about all of 11? There's 3. I see 3 blanks in there, and so you should fill in all 3. This one, and this one. And that's it. I will see you guys soon.